want to give you a massive congratulations on making your way through our beginner's embroidery course. You will have learnt so much and started on a hobby, which I hope will bring you so much joy over the years to come. I also hope you found our approach of focusing on progress over perfection really helpful. We all make mistakes and encounter roadblocks. Believe me, I get it. But the most important thing is to keep going. And I'm sure you're feeling pleasantly surprised at how much progress you've already made. Now, if you've practiced the skills and techniques in this course and made 2 of our beginner patterns, you will have become what we call a confident maker, which is so cool. Let me quickly show you some of the patterns in our Confident Maker library, which you can move on to making next. Here's our festive alphabet pattern, which includes a template for each letter in the alphabet. As you can see, each letter includes some of the techniques you've already learnt as a beginner, with some intermediate level techniques thrown in, like fishbone stitch and split stitch. These little designs make great personalised gifts. Our floral rainbow sampler is a wonderful pattern to make next. Isn't it so beautiful? Some parts are a great way to practice and work on your beginner techniques. But this pattern also features some of the intermediate level stitch techniques, which you'll be adding to your skill set. So for example, this thread bundle flower technique, which is such a cool way to add texture to your designs. Now, if you're keen to start stitching on clothing and accessories, you can try out my Happy Designs for Clothing pattern. It features a set of motifs that are perfect for stitching on clothing, and I'll teach you all the ins and outs about this type of embroidery. Oh, and one more example, my Sweet Bouquet pattern is a great way to keep practicing techniques like satin stitch, and it makes such a beautiful gift. Okay, it's time for you to move on to the next step of your embroidery journey. I am so proud of you, and I feel honoured that you've chosen to learn with Clever Poppy. I absolutely cannot wait to see what you make next.